Okay. She wanted to make a video, so we're making a video.
Yeah.
But we didn't really know what we were going to make a video about.
Yeah. So.
Here we are.
Yeah. Here we are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, how you doing?
Um.
Oh, no, I was talking to the people at home. So, but how are you? How you doing, Shree?
Good.
Yeah. Okay. I don't think this is a very interesting video.
I don't know either.
What do you think we should do?
Maybe make it a little sillier.
Okay. No, I'm not feeling silly. Let's do like we're really dumb. Okay. Are you a hamburger?
No.
Okay, no, I'm not feeling this. Let's act like we're too cool. Stupid.
Yeah.
I don't want to do this.
No, me either.
This is so lame.
Yeah.
No. It's not. Doesn't suit you. It doesn't suit you. You pick something else we could do.
I make a dress. I work at the dress shop, and I like to sew. Yeah, I make dresses for girls and boys and everything.
Yeah, and I'm a professional baseball player. I'm a pitcher. I am on the Detroit Tigers.
I also do shows with my dresses, and I also gotta be funny sometimes like this. I feel silly.
And I could lick my nose. So, I mean, we'll
Me
have
too.
give you $10. No, we can't use your fingers. Keep working, kid. One of these days. One of these days.
Hello.
Bye for now. We're gonna go eat some dinner.
Bye bye.
What else?
Bye bye.
This is too close.
Bye bye.